Easily assemble the lithium battery, detergent container, multifunctional nozzle, and pipe, and select your desired spray mode out of 6 modes to pressure wash the surface, as well as every other inaccessible corner of your car. Detach the detergent container and rinse off the foam with a powerful cleaner to enjoy your shining car. Use the suitable spray mode and get rid of the persistent dirt in your yard and on the stairways in no time. Swimming pool area is another big target of BERGWERK portable pressure washer, as its light weight helps you to thoroughly wash the floor, loungers, and all the other outdoor furniture without getting tired. Stand at your desired distance from the bike and clean it all up with no trouble. Washing the benches and outdoor surfaces of doors and windows is no longer an arduous job with this efficient product.
Portable power cleaner, fueled by a 20-volt battery. Hydroshot pumps from any freshwater source for pressurized cleaning anytime, anywhere. Hydroshot even boosts your normal hose pressure up to 10 times.
1,800 watts of power. Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in Total Stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand,